This is a quick tutorial on how to join Google Classroom and how to access the different assignments and Google Meets that will be posted. The first thing that you'll need to do is you'll need to go to the site classroom.google.com, or you can also access this through your Drive. You'll go to the waffle at the top, and then you will find the Classroom icon and click on that, and that will also take you to the classroom. Once you have your Google Classroom homepage uploaded, you'll see all the classrooms that you're a part of. If you want to join a classroom, you'll go to the plus sign at the top, you'll press Join Class, and then you'll enter the class code that was sent to you to be able to join. Then you'll press the word Join, and that will allow you into the classroom. Once you have the classroom set up and you're joined into it, you'll click on the classroom that you are wanting to go into, and you'll see that this is the stream, otherwise known as the home page. The stream is where you can find all assignments as well as announcements. It's very overwhelming to look at because it's not broken up by topic or by subject area. If you go to the Classwork tab at the top, this is where all assignments and announcements can be found, and they're broken up by the different subjects. So here you could see that English Language Arts with Miss O'Sullivan, Social Studies with Mr. Mantes, Science with Miss Schlattman, Math with Miss Sudol, as well as the additional support with Miss Harris is all located here. If you're just getting started, you want to go to each of these and make sure that you are finding day 1, which was July 6th. You could also see the date that these were posted so that you know exactly what to do on what day. So for example, if you're going to the July 6th, day 1 of Language Arts, you'll go here, you'll click into this, which is a slideshow that was assigned to students. So not only did they have access to the Google Meet link through the slideshow, but the assignments or the resources that they needed were here. For the Google Meet links that are attached to a slideshow, all you have to do is click into it, and this link will take you to the Google Meet that's here, and then you'll be able to join to get started. If you go back to the Classwork tab, for those that do not post the Google Meet link as an assignment, they will just have it linked right here on the Classwork tab, as you see Mr. Mantes has done, and again, you could click right on into this to join. So again, the stream shows you the home page where all assignments and announcements can be found. Announcements are really important to read as they have pertinent information of what is happening and all the updates throughout our program. And then the Classwork tab is broken up by subject matter so that you can look by teacher to know what is posted for that day and what assignments or where the Google Meet links will be. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out, whether that's to Ms. Grinnell or to Ms. Harris. The email is tharris@somsd.k12.nj.us. We look forward to working with you and your children throughout the program.